Welcome to another of these free lessons in Jamaican patois. As usual, I will give you a story or a commentary and then give you a short overview in English. So enjoy. Wonderful having you again. Miss Miyad, Jamaica. Our born on us country, you know. Me not talk about the city them. Me not like city. Me a country girl. Me love up in the bush with the river them and the waterfall and all them thing. And you know, me go tell you one secret. You know when me think of the prettiest place in Jamaica? I down at the Rio Grande Valley in Portland. Me can't talk too loud, you know, through me come from St. Elizabeth and me not supposed to tell you say Portland prettier. But massa, me say the Rio Grande Valley to me, it come in like how me used to read in the Bible about the Garden of Eden. It pretty care done. And if you buck up one maroon lady wrong there who can cook busso soup, lad, you walk and talk to yourself. Because mostly maroon from Moortown you find in them places there. But you see, if you ever go on one of them bamboo raft and go down the Rio Grande River, oh God, you walk and talk to yourself. It's nice, can done. You jump off in the river, you swim. You know, enjoy yourself. And you see, when you go down a little way, one woman set up a thing there where she sell food and drink. And she can cook her rice and peas and chicken, you see. Me say, a country chicken, no, she not sell you them fufu town chicken. A country chicken, you get the gummy, nice one. Me say, oh God, me love go down at the Rio Grande River. Then you know something? You know how it start? At the maroon, them a carry them banana, pan the bamboo raft where they make, then carry it go down at Port Antonio. A long time me a chat about now. Then carry it down there, go put on the ship for send to England go sell. And some people go with them and see how it nice and the river pretty and all the tree them green and all the bird. I say, Master, make we start carry people. And that's how it end up as a tourist business. So follow me now. I'm going to show you a whole heap about that trip there. And I'm going to show you some video I take there. Because I go down enough time now. I can't go there enough. Every time me in the area, I have to jump on the raft there. So come with me. And see the reef out there, so. See the raft them so, where them park them when you come down. Rafting on the Rio Grande, they are one of the best tours you can take in Jamaica. Out of the reef there, and where the Rio Grande go to the Caribbean Sea. The Rio Grande start at the bottom of the Blue Mountain, where St. Thomas and Portland meet at one place named 4 Foot. And the maroon them control the rafting, you know. Them build the raft them out of bamboo. Then once they build them last about 6 months. And then them turn the captain and them control it, the Moortown maroon them. One great business. Peace and tranquility. Rafting on the Rio Grande is one of Jamaica's greatest tours. Those are the rafts over there, bamboo rafts. And this is where you end up coming down the Rio Grande Valley on the Rio Grande River. And it's one of the most scenic tours. In fact, it is one of the first attractions developed in Jamaica, because they used to bring bananas down the Rio Grande on the river, and some enterprising person saw how scenic a tour it was and started to bring tourists down here years ago. It's one of the most beautiful tours. They have short tours, 4.5, long tours, 3 hours, rafting on the Rio Grande. Love to hear the birds in the background.
Daylight come and me want go home. Work all night and a drink a rum. Stack banana till the morning come. Come, Mr. Tallyman, tally me banana. Come, Mr.
This is the party rock. This is
tally
where
me
people stop
banana.
and party, drink a beer and enjoy themselves and swim.
Live
6 foot, 7
This
foot,
is the
8
party
foot
raft
punch.
where people jump off of the raft and swim and all that and thing. And drink
6
a beer.
foot, 7 foot, 8 foot punch.
day is a day. Oh. Day is a day, is a day, is a day. A beautiful bunch, a ripe banana. Hide the deadly black tarantula. Live
6 foot, 7 foot, 8 foot punch. 6 foot, 7 foot, 8 foot punch.
day is a day. Oh. Day is a day, is a day, is a day.
By that reef is where the Rio Grande empties out into the sea. The industry, the rafting industry was started by the Maroons, the Moortown Maroons, and they control it. They build the rafts out of bamboo, and they are the captains. The Rio Grande has its source at 4 feet at the bottom of Blue Mountains, where St. Thomas and Portland meet.